From this plan image to this stunning poster design, or from this to this to this, and this to this. These images are all generated by AI. This tool even lets you change or generate the model for your clothing brand. If you want to get hands-on with this tool, just head to your search bar and type this site URL. You can also find the link in the description. Next, you'll see this landing page. To get started, sign up, as I've already created an account. I'll just sign in. After signing in, you'll receive some free credits to test the product before considering an upgrade to its premium version. Pick Copilot offers multiple useful features, and we will test them one by one. First and foremost is the background remover, which allows you to remove backgrounds from up to 20 products. Simply add your images and hit the Remove button. The AI swiftly removes the backgrounds. You can select any of the added image to preview its before and after results from the history panel. You can also remove the background manually by using these different tools. Next from Pick Copilot is the image translation feature. Very useful for instant translation of any typographic poster or social media post design. Choose the image translator. Upload your image. Select the language of your image and the required language to appear in the result, and hit Translate. The AI works instantly and generates the image with translated text. From the History panel, you can access all translated images at once. Select one by one and customize as needed, such as changing text colors and adjusting text size. You can copy the text and paste it to verify the translations by using Google Translate. Use this feature to save time while converting your typographic design into multiple languages. Next is this feature called Instant Backgrounds, which allows you to generate high-quality backgrounds without any photography skills. You just need to upload your product's image, and it automatically removes the background and gives you different types of styles to select from. We can select any style according to our product. As our product is footwear, we will select outdoor from the scene options and select sports and entertainment from the category. Next, select any style from the filtered category and hit Generate as soon as you click on Generate. The AI will analyze the image and generate the background according to its position and style. It generates 2 results at a time, and you can choose any of the image from the results. You can see the image is perfectly generated, and AI also follows the photography rules. Once you like the results, you can just hit the Download button to save it in your device storage. Once you're done with the first image, you can change the image and generate another background for another product. Repeat the same process for another product, and you are good to go. While we have explored 3 features, the highlight is the social media and poster designs generator. As you are on the landing page, you can see lots of pre-made templates. Select a template according to your product and the ad size. Once you choose the template, it will need your product image. Add your image, and it will remove the background automatically. Next, hit Generate. AI will analyze, match the image with the selected template, and generate a high-clickable poster for your product. You can customize its font, style, and text according to your requirements. If you don't like the design, you can hit Regenerate as much as you want until you are satisfied. Download it and use it on social media platforms to advertise your product. Okay, we've explored all the features that Pick Copilot offers, but let's take a closer look at a unique tool it has, the AI Fashion Model. This feature is pretty special. It helps generate models for your clothing brand and gives you the option to modify existing ones. All you have to do is select the tool and upload the model's image. The AI scan the image and select clothes of the model. You can also select manually if it selects incorrectly. Hit Confirm Upload to continue the process. After confirming your selection, you can choose from different model types, hair color, background, and then click Create to see the change happen right before your eyes. And there you have it. The model and their gender changed at the same time. That's all for this video. I hope you found this tool useful. Remember to check out the website. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks for watching.